Swamp family now. Swamp family, baby!
You know, get the Dilfs out here if you can hear me.
I'm here at Swampfest 2022 in Wildwood, Florida. It's crazy, it's fun, and we're doing some BMX stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm a city boy, I don't have the balance for this. Raggy, Scooby-Doo. My name's Jack, and I'm here with
Noah McBride from the Scenes Not Dead video magazine. I go to all the jams and I film and I make people say stupid shit on camera, kind of like I'm doing now. Dude, Swampfest is fucking insane. Basically like a religious journey for BMXers. Like, you sin all year and then you come here and you repent. It's like the opposite of Catholicism. Last year, Swampfest put me in the hospital. I caught a swamp bug. Huh? They gave me a fucking abscess in the roof of my mouth.
How do you feel about Peyton Manning?
Peyton Manning has the biggest forehead in the world. And
we go again.
Bill Clinton stole his second Super Bowl ring. So.
Everybody calls me Scooby-Doo.
Why do they call you Scooby-Doo?
Because I showed up in a Scooby-Doo outfit and I got fucking wasted.
So Scooby is the drunkest man in the world. Last year this was on fucking Halloween and he wore a Scooby-Doo outfit. I'm pretty sure that costume got so dirty that his skin like absorbed it, and now he is Scooby. Like he never took it off. It just became part of him. All the beer that got spilled onto that costume is like permanently in his system now.
Scooby, where's the costume at?
He's a living nightmare. Also, I'm pretty sure he lost a fucking finger today.
I can't stand in one spot. I'm sorry.
Roll Raggy.
His blood alcohol percentage is like 100%.
He's walking sideways right now. He don't even know where he is. That's what happens when you miss chest day.
Bruh.
I'm gonna fucking rub your nipple. He's weird about it. He's fucking scared. Check my videos out.
You got videos where you rub nips?
I rub more than nips.
What do you like more, nips or beer?
Beer.
So if you were at a deserted island, you could either have 16 nips or one beer. Which would you choose?
Beer.
Another round of applause, please, and let's get this party started. Swampfest 2022. Let's get the show on the road, motherfuckers.
Yes, sir.
Oh, also forgot to mention, everyone in Florida has a vape. How was that rail yesterday? A lot of falling. It was hard.
Yeah, I feel like I got out of it like pretty well. I know there was that one kid who like scorpioned out of it. That was fucking gnarly.
10 out of 10 though, landing on his head, no splash.
Yeah, that one where I rolled out. It looked kind of funny. Yeah.
How's your Swampfest been?
Muddy. I'm so glad I brought a second pair of shoes, dude.
Yeah. What's the best part about BMX?
I think falling's the best part of BMX, dude, honestly. Like, jumps are fucking scary, dude. I will eat shit, like, all the time. Street roof drop stuff, busting my ass, falling off a couple roofs before.
That's the Swampfest paraglider. His real name is just Brandon. See how he just crossed his legs? That helps him turn. No, I think it helps him relax.
I'm actually starting to feel 100% again. I puked 10 hours before I drove 8 hours to get here, so I got my girlfriend, my mom here, believe it or not. We're having a good old time. My name is Denim Cox.
Oh, you were the guy on the bike. You fell right in front of me, and I was the guy who I picked you up.
Did I fall over your bike? Are you the motherfucker that parked your bike in my shin zone?
No, I don't.
What happened?
Oh, he's full of X-rays. No, his whole mouth. Broke it like 3 times.
When I moved to California about 10 years ago, I met some of the best people that I still fuck with every single day.
You guys look different.
I can go anywhere in the world, post on Instagram, hey, I'm here. Does anybody have a place for me to stay? I'll get like 2-3 responses. Hey, hit up this guy, or hey, come to my house, that kind of shit.
What's some of the craziest stories about your travels where you've gone and like been somewhere and just found home?
When I went to Barcelona for the first time, I ended up staying there for 4 months because my homie Eric Sands said, hey, you can stay at my house.
Yo, shout out Eric Sands.
Later tonight, just start shouting Eric Sands as like a chant, like Eric Sands. It happens all the time at BMX events around the world. He's pretty known.
That was epic. Dylan just hit the ramp, did a flip. How was that?
It was awesome.
What got you into BMX?
Just riding my bike to school, doing tricks.
How'd you make it look so easy?
You literally do nothing but ride off of it, and if you could do nothing, then you'll land it.
What are some of like your BMX highlights?
Probably, I'm not too sure.
Everything the light touches is mud. I wish I knew how to ride a bike. I'm here with Trey Jones, the founder of Swampfest. Trey, why'd you start Swampfest?
I've been riding BMX since I was 4 years old. Not qualified for anything else, so I guess it's everything. Without being corny, I wanted to create a BMX event I always wanted to go to. That's what this is.
What kind of insurance plan do you have for this event?
Good enough.
What's your favorite part about Swampfest? Like, is it the craziness, community? What's up?
I think that everybody's equal. Nobody's got a VIP pass. Some kid on a 16-inch bike is the same thing as an X Games gold medalist. So
I love that. And everyone here is so nice.
Fuck you.
Any specific parts of Swampfest you're looking forward to for the rest of the day?
we usually burn all the ramps at the end of the day, but it's raining so bad, I don't really know what we're gonna do. Otherwise, just hanging out and trying to keep everybody somewhat tame to where the police don't arrest them. That's the goal.
You heard it here first. Try not to get arrested. That's what we call a Florida recycling bin. I'm Jack, and I'm here with
Duda, Pesa from Brazil. Hey guys.
How do you like Florida?
It's fucking amazing. I love it.
Are there more fireworks here or in Brazil?
Maybe here. You can see this in front of you. It's amazing.
Did you see that guy who was knocking everyone down?
Yeah, everyone's getting some for him more beers. I don't know if it's a good idea, but I'm loving it.
What's your favorite thing been so far about America? What's been like your craziest story?
For sure, Swampfest is my crazy story.
We're in a war zone right now.
What? Sorry?
We're in a war zone right now? Fuck.
Can everybody stop the fireworks? It's just a little too much. We need to chill out. No.
Have you guys been here before?
We've been here a bunch of times. We were born here.
I printed t-shirts for Trey and Swampfest and all the shit.
Oh, sick. Do you guys think that the ratio of guys to girls here can be improved?
Yeah,
pretty
get some more
pumped on
guys
it. I'm
out
going to go to
here.
full positivity
Get
route.
some more guys out here, some guys with kids and stuff. Get them out here.
More.
Guys that have kids, but they're not here. Get
do you
some
think?
Dilfs out here. Oh, less competition. I'm here for it.
Less competition, but we need more Dilfs. She's a fucking lady, and she's fucking Dilfs. Right now, Scooby-Doo has found the mystery machine. He's cranking it up. He's got to go find some ghosts. Oh, we just evacuated.
Disney, I really love Swampfest, and that's it. Have fun time.
Anything about BMX or any like things you want to like say about like your time here? Things. Fuck, not again. Ah! How does this Swampfest compare to the other ones?
It's a little more fireworky in the
A
face.
little more chaotic, but I mean, that literally is Swampfest and Florida
There's
just
a
in general.
hurricane, but I guess daytime, fuck it up, you know? If you sign the waiver.
Tornado warnings, tents are flying through the air, crushing into fucking people's vehicles.
This is PPE. Yeah, I actually need a mask. Get the Dilfs out here if you can hear me.
My
We
girlfriend
love
was talking, she's like, it's already,
so-
PTSD. Like, oh, is there a firework? Is there not a firework? What's going on? Like,
You don't know what's going on.
I was like mid-conversation, you were talking, I gotta go! Even
Fire
last night
Chief's
in the
here.
pit.
He's ready to rage, so that's in good news. Trey invited him, so it is a small world after all.
It's a small world after all. Post Malone's out here shooting fireworks.
Hit it. Just have your credits roll right in front of me as I'm bathing myself in bush light.
A Swampfest baptism.
We are swamp relatives.
How's Swampfest been for y'all?
I got one thing to tell you, okay? Dude, I'm not here for Swampfest. I'm here for the Swamp family. Swamp's right here, dude. Swamp family, one love. This guy, Swamp family. You come to chill with the boys. You come to go get a $100 pair of Vans from the vendor down there.
Crush this bush light for us.
I'm 20.
Oh, yeah.
Spencer will, though, because he's 21.
Chug, 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 chug. Swamp family, swamp family, swamp family, swamp family.
Woo! Swamp family, baby!
Now, don't litter. Whatever you do, do not litter.
Yeah, toss out the recycle bin.
The world's already dead, man. It's already dying.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Swamp family. Swampfest! This gets better mileage in the swamp than it does on the highway.
Shot till the new train comes by and roll in my sweet baby.
What's your stance on elbow pads and knee pads?
If you're from San Francisco, I guess.
What does that mean for Nancy Pelosi?
I don't even know her, but fuck her.
Elbow pads, bad. Nancy Pelosi, bad.
My mom is a VIP roller derby girl. She used to ride for this team called the Furious Truck Stop Waitresses. She's a badass.
Let's go talk to her. Denim told us to ask you what you think about elbow pads and knee pads.
I use them for roller derby, that's it. I want him to use some, but no, he won't. He doesn't protect his teeth or anything. It's not cool.
He pulls off broken teeth. We're on the sidelines right now because we're pussies from the city. Also, there's a lot of mortars. People are just lighting fireworks and just throwing them into this like BMX like dome sunken area kind of thing. My name's Jack and I'm out here with
Wickes from No More Legends.
How's your Swampfest going?
Wonderful. This is my first Swampfest ever. This place is awesome. It's dirty. It's wet. It's slippery.
You're more of a BMX guy, skater. What's your deal?
I'm a BMX rider.
What's your craziest BMX story?
Tonight is going to be the craziest story.
Why do you have knee pads and none of them have knee pads?
Hit a trash can, fucked my knee up, and finally was like smart enough to fucking put the knee pads on. Hyperextended my pinky and I fucking pulled it.
Does a hyperextended pinky help you score girls?
I haven't used it specifically. The kink adds to the pleasure.
Yeah! What's your favorite thing about BMX? What's like your favorite memory? What do you like the most about like the community? What inspired you to start your channel and brand?
Dude, I've been riding for like over 10 years. It's huge for my mental health. Whenever I'm on my bike, nothing else fucking matters. Politics, all that shit ends in this fucking culture.
Swampfest is therapy for the people. Bot!
No More Legends, WICKES.
The E is silent and the pinky is hyperextended. At Swampfest, I've seen injuries. I've seen a lot of men, almost exclusively men. It's a sausage fest out here. The ratio here sucks, but the vibes are impeccable. Just a bunch of dudes having fun. Really just, excuse me, what the fuck? That being said, I'll be back next year.